So currently our rehab centre holds 2 turtles. We have a small loggerhead and a hawksbill turtle, so I'll tell you a little bit about them. Now, our loggerhead turtle is actually my personal favourite for 2 reasons. So firstly, it is absolutely adorable. We estimate that it's only 3 years old, so it's really only about the size of a dinner plate. Now, they can grow to just over a metre, so it really is still so young. The main reason why I like this little turtle though is because despite it being so young, it is a tough little turtle. Now, it washed up with a very nasty fungal lung infection, in fact the worst the vets had ever seen. It had parasites, and the poor little turtle actually had plastic blocking up its gut. Our other turtle is our hawksbill turtle. It's very recognisable as it only has 3 flippers. So one would think that this would be the reason why it washed up sick. But it actually does fine with its 3 flippers. It washed up very dehydrated, cold and hungry because most importantly there was actually a small piece of ribbon blocking up its digestive tract. When it first came to us, unfortunately, it was so weak it could barely lift its head and we had to put a tube down its throat and feed it like that for months. But it has made an amazing recovery and it often is seen harassing our divers for food and of course swimming around the tank. So sea turtles are very different from us, not just that they look different and live in the ocean, but also that their bodies can't break down and pass through even small bits of plastic. Instead, what happens is it actually gets stuck inside them. Once their stomach is filled with plastic, of course if their stomach is full, whether it's with plastic or with food, it's not going to feel hungry. So often these turtles will stop eating. And of course everybody knows that we do need food to be able to survive. But that isn't the only problem. As the plastic actually breaks down inside the turtle, and the buoyant nature of plastic means that often these turtles are left floating near the surface, exposed to predators and unable to actually dive down. And of course, what happens when that turtle gets eaten by another predator is of course the plastic will start to move up the food chain.